Welcome to the Finish Better Music free mixing and mastering bootcamp. In this course, we're going to show you exactly how to mix and master electronic music from start to finish. The goal is to get you to produce incredibly clean sounding mixes and master using only stock plugins. This is incredibly important because if you're submitting music to labels, blogs, or YouTube and Spotify curators, or you're just sending music out to your favorite artists, making music that sounds professional is an absolute necessity, especially now that literally everyone with access to a computer can make music. You're going to learn how, when, and where to use the right plugins and effects, why developing a mixing plan is critically important, the power of gain staging, how to process individual channels and groups, aka buses, how to get a tight and controlled low end, and our signature processing chains for clear and powerful masters. Additionally, we're going to go over the fundamentals of mixing and mastering, and by that I mean level balancing, saturation and distortion, reductive and additive EQ, compression, sidechain, reverb, delay, stereo imaging, and limiting. Now, we'll be using Ableton, but it doesn't really matter what DAW you're using. All the principles and techniques can be applied using stock plugins from any DAW. We'll be also mixing down the song in a house genre, but again, all the principles and techniques can be applied to any genre. Whether you make house, trap, D&B, or some weird new subgenre, you will get insane amount of value from this course. Now, we know that YouTube and Google are great, but they're honestly full of conflicting and confusing advice. We're going to show you the how and why behind every single one of our mixing decisions. Now, at this point, you're probably asking yourself, why should I listen to you? My name is Thomas Anthony, and as a producer, I've achieved 7 consecutive Beatport #1 releases and singles, and been charted over 50 times in the Beatport Top 100. My music's been streamed over 10 million times across all platforms, so Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, etc. And I've done official remixes for artists such as Snoop Dogg and Sophie Tucker, and I've signed record deals with labels such as Interscope, Confessions, Mixfeed, Dim Mak, Enormous Tunes, Ministry Sound, and a ton more. And I've performed at major festivals such as EDC Las Vegas and Burning Man. I created Finish Better Music with my partner Franco Laya, and our goal and purpose is to transform you into being the best producer that you can be. We want you to feel proud of your music, stand out, sign tracks to your dream label, and get locked into an upward cycle of ongoing success. So let's get started right now. Click the link below. Let's get mixing and mastering, baby.